And hi guys, so ngayon andito naman kami sa Icon Siam. So for those na gustong malaman kung paano kami nakapunta dito from Picnic Hotel, naglakad kami papuntang Victory Monument, and then from Victory Monument we took a train which will cost you 29 to 35 baht per head. The quickest way actually to go to Icon Siam. So, bababa ng sa Fantaksin, and then BTS station exit 2. Then you can catch Icon Siam free shuttle boat of ferry available from 9 a.m. until 11 p.m. So that's daily, every 10 minutes meron pong dumarating na ferry. And ayan, so Icon Siam, it is actually a very big mall, and ito po actually is next to the Chao Phraya River, and has more than 7,000 shops and 100 restaurants, and even a floating market which is dinadayo talaga. And this is actually the most impressive shopping center in Bangkok. So, if you notice guys, lahat ng dinadaanan namin, ayan, sa ground floor na yan, puro pagkain na po yan. This is the floating market. You'll have the chance to choose alin ang gusto nyo. And it's really affordable. And katulad nito, yung pong malaking balot na yun ng tamarind is 220 baht. And naghahanap kami actually ng makakain. So, namimili pa kami. Although si Bunso, ang gusto niya talaga is tempura. And then, we're also looking for a fried chicken. Fried chicken naman ang gusto nila Kuya Arvin at saka si Ate Jel. So, ayan. Maraming pagpipilian. Merong mango sticky rice. And then, meron ding mga noodles. And then, meron mga fruit shakes, iba-iba. Marami pong makikita rito. So, you get to choose which one or whichever ang gusto nyong kainin. And, yan is sa ground floor pa lang. So, marami pong mga lamesa available para makakain. At this time, parang iniwan lang muna namin si Bunso sa isang area na available na yung lamesa and upuan. Hindi na namin siya pinaalis kasi maraming tao, as in marami talagang tao, mga tourists din na pumupunta dito, maraming Filipinos na pumupunta rin. Ayan, so namimili pa kami, and then if I remember it right, ang sa amin ni Daddy is umorder kami ng noodle na may sabaw. Nag-crave kasi ako at that time. Gusto ko matikman yung noodle nila na may sabaw, na hindi nakalimutan namin ni Daddy ko ng tawag doon. And then sila Kuya Arvin at saka si Ate Jel, nag-fried chicken sila. Si Bunso, nag-tempura and fried chicken as well. Si Ate Renren, I forgot kung ano yung in-order niya. And then umorder din ata kami ng pad thai, which is really very, very, very good. And like what I said, very affordable. Affordable naman ang lahat ng mga pagkain dito. And you can even buy mga pasalubong dito. So, ayan. Maraming tao talaga. And sobrang dami ng pagkain. Hindi mo alam kung alin ang pipiliin mo kasi talagang mukhang masarap. May mga barbecue, mayroong mga fries, tapos meron ding mga fruit shakes, mga drinks na pwede ring inumin. So, ayan. Dito kami nakabili ng fried chicken. As in, masarap talaga siya. I just forgot how much. Yun, parang 50 baht. Hindi ko alam kung ilang piraso. I forgot na. Sorry naman. And then, dyan na kami bumili. And then si Ate Renan umiikot pa rin at that time. Naghahanap siya ng gusto niyang kainin. But both me and Daddy nakabili na or nakahanap na at that time nung noodles na may sabaw. So after we ate, pumanik na kami. And if you notice guys, ito yung dito sa Icon Siam is bukod doon sa floating market na tinatawag nilang Souk Siam. It's an indoor floating market. Sa second floor or upper floors, dyan mo makikita yung mga luxury items, yung mga branded bags, mga iba-ibang wallets, iba-ibang mga clothes, like halimbawa may Coach, mayroong Gucci, iba-iba. But the most interesting part na nakita namin dito is yung H&M, which has 3 floors na talagang sobrang laki. So ayan, window shopping while we were waiting for Ate Renren and Ate Jel na nag-restroom. Ayan. So, marami kayo makikita rito. And then, actually, ang pinaka-purpose namin dyan is the 7th floor where Starbucks is located. So, sa 7th floor po siya. And then, malaking Starbucks po ito. As in, parang buong floor sakop niya. And then, you get to choose as well mga iba-ibang tumblers ng Starbucks na hindi mo mabibili talaga in the Philippines. Kasi bukod sa meron silang designs na may tatak na or nakalagay na Bangkok, Thailand. But there are, most of them, walang nakalagay na Bangkok, Thailand. But yung design, it's really parang 1 in a million. As in, hindi mo siya makikita sa Philippines or other place as well. So, ayan. But, of course, expect na pricey talaga ang tumbler ng Starbucks. Meron kami nagustuhan ni Daddy dito. It's parang tawag doon, double glass cup for coffee. I think it's also microwavable. In one box, it consists of 4 cups. But we decided not to get it kasi pricey talaga siya. So, parang 'di ba? So, although meron kaming ginagamit talaga for coffee na super nipis naman ang baso and pwede siya talaga for hot water na binigay din sa amin. Ayan. So, at this time, nag-iikot-ikot pa lang kami kasi wala kaming maupuan dahil sobrang puno siya. And then, yung kung nakaharap ka doon sa side na yon, paglakad mo ng medyo diretso pa, yun po yung parang overlooking ng sa labas, wherein makikita mo yung mga water events which starts at 6:30 to 8 p.m. But we didn't wait for it kasi meron pa akong work niyan nung gabi na that day na nandyan kami sa Starbucks. So we left Kuya Arvin, Ate Renren, and Jel kasi gusto talaga nila makita yon. But sobrang early namin at that time. At I think 2 p.m. nandiyan na kami. So we have to leave them. At if I'm not mistaken, parang 3 or 4 p.m. umalis na kami ni Daddy at saka ni Bunso. Bumalik na kami sa picnic hotel para makatulog ako kasi I still need to work at 11 p.m. So, ayan. Naghahanap-hanap kami ng available uh, na maupuan namin for the meantime while hinihintay namin yung 4 p.m. And ayan, nakaka-enjoy lang yung nakikita mo kahit hindi ka bumibili, nakaka-enjoy yung nakikita mo within the area kasi as in talagang maganda yung place. Ayan, yung side na yan yung palabas papunta doon sa sinasabi kong view. It's an overlooking view kung saan makikita mo yung magiging parang water event sa starting 6:30 to 8 p.m. Ayan, but at that time hindi pa kami nakalabas or hindi pa kami nakapwesto roon dahil nakasara pa siya. Bubuksan siya I think 5:30. So sila ate rin naghintay sila pagkabukas, and then dun sila nagstay, and they were able to watch yung mga lightings ng mga some water events. So ayan, and yan, hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo, pero I think it's 1,000 baht per tumbler yan. So, while waiting, kung saan kami makakapwesto, umorder na kami ni Ate Renren. Umorder kami ng caramel macchiato para sa amin while waiting. Ang sabi ko nga, hindi na kami nakapaghintay kasi we need to go home at 4 p.m. Ako, si Daddy, si Bunso. So, we left Ate Renren, Kuya Arvin, and Ate Jel for them to watch the iconic multimedia water features na mag-uumpisa ng 6:30 and then another one 8 p.m. and then 9 p.m. So ayan guys, we really enjoyed. By the way, ito yung Starbucks, the largest Starbucks in Thailand, na actually ito pong Icon Siam, na-build siya 2018 lang, so bago-bago pa lang siya. So if you get to travel, visit Starbucks or Icon Siam, you will enjoy everything. And the next video, ito yung sa overlooking sa Starbucks Icon Siam, and nag-start na yung iconic multimedia water feature. Sila kuya na lang ang nandyan. So again guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe. And paki-like na rin po if you like the video, and then share it. And thank you again. God bless, and see you on the next video. Bye!